Let's talk about small claims court. Hi, my name is Carl Birkhead. I'm an attorney with Wirth Law Office in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I've been practicing family and criminal law for over 7 years now, and I want to help you make law easy by talking a little bit about small claims cases and whether or not that might be the avenue that you want to go down. So, small claims court is essentially a court where if you feel that you've been wronged or injured by somebody financially and you want to take them to court, but it's for an amount that's less than $10,000. 10,000 is the magic number to bump it from small claims court up to the actual district court. So, this is something where you're going to see it a lot. I've had cases where maybe the neighbor's dog did damage to a client's car, or maybe the clients went and they did damage to the neighbor's house, like broken windows, something like that. A lot of times these things will also fall hand in hand with some sort of like minor misdemeanor criminal offense for like malicious injury to property or something like that. It's nothing major. It's not necessarily going to be anything where it's like somebody, you know, broke your leg or totaled a car or anything like that. Anything that's going to incur massive amounts of financial injury, like hospital bills, repair bills, things like that, that's all going to be handled at the district court level. But the good news is that because we're just dealing with these minor cases, small claims cases can move relatively quickly. Civil lawsuits can drag on for years because you're looking at depositions, discovery, uh, just all expert witnesses, the whole 9 yards. Small claims cases, oftentimes you'll just see, you know, Joe off the street and Wendy off the walk come in and handle it themselves without even having an attorney present. They'll just bring whatever information that they have, they'll bring it to the judge, and they can get it handled within 1 or 2 hearings. Now, that's not always the case. And there are times, especially if you're being sued for maybe like breach of a contract or something like that, where you definitely still want an attorney present. And that's totally fine. We're here to help. We're happy to help with those types of situations. Just be aware, and I always caution my clients when it comes to a small claims case that when you're dealing with these amounts that are usually like 1,000, 1,500, 2,000, 4,000, something like that, you're also going to be racking up an attorney bill that's just as high. You know, for instance, most attorneys in my office, we bill between $300 to $400 an hour. Some maybe even more than that. So if you're looking at being sued for $1,500 and you hired a $300 an hour lawyer, after 5 hours of work, you've already paid that $1,500. Sometimes the cost benefit analysis there leans in favor of just maybe trying to handle it yourself. It's a risk though, and it's not always a risk worth taking. I always tell people you can go to court yourself and you can represent yourself and you might even win, but it's kind of like performing surgery on yourself. You can do it and you might even live through it, but it's going to be a lot more painful and take a lot longer than if you were to have an attorney or a professional do it for you. My name is Carl Birkhead. I'm with Wirth Law Office and I want to help you make law easy.